Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife, it's nice to meet you. So today I have a super exciting video. I am going to be doing a review on this little shampoo here. This is the Solid shampoo from LUSH. I am super excited to do this. I've been using it now for about 3 weeks, maybe a little bit more. And it smells like lavender. It smells so nice. So I have it in this little pot here, so I'm going to be... I just hit the camera. So I'm gonna be talking my way through it and stuff. I'm actually looking up on my phone like what it says about it. So we're gonna be going LUSH, googling it. LUSH have recently come out with like loads and loads of bath bombs, and I'm like super jealous that I do not have a bath. I think it's because it was its birthday or something. So I'm going to be kind of reading what it says on the website. So this one right here smells beautiful. It is called, as you can see, Jumping Juniper. So I've been trying it out for about 3 weeks I think, and I'm going to be reading about what it says on the website. So this product says, perfect for when hair really needs a deep clean. Juniper berry gets to work regulating sebum production, clearing the scalp. We've also used calming lavender and antibacterial rose essential oils to soothe and cleanse the scalp. Lemon and lime oils give shine as they help the cuticles of the hair to lie flat, enabling them to reflect more light. So that's what it says. The smell that I get from it when I smell it is just all lavender, and personally I absolutely love lavender. It's one of my favorite smells, so that's what I love the most. It has 11 ingredients: juniper berry, rosemary infusion, lemon oil, lime oil. It has lenach oil, it has ground, I have no idea how to pronounce those, but I'm gonna give you like a quick little view. I'm not sure if you can see them, but they're like listed all down there. That's pretty much, and it kind of like tells you what they do and stuff. It's very interesting if you wanted to kind of like read a little bit about it and stuff and get to know it. But yeah, so I'm gonna actually talk about like how I've been finding this and stuff. So I keep them in this little pot, and I keep them depending on my laziness, but I'll try and keep them in my bedroom where it's kind of like a cooler temperature. But they do last a lot longer if you keep them in the tins and out of the bathroom, just because I have a sore eye, just because they won't like kind of melt away. I do not recommend them to be out of the tins and in the actual shower, because that is just, you're not getting the products worth that you should be getting. So this bad boy retails for $7.50, which is not bad at all. I usually get 3 months out of them, and I shower every second day, which is not bad whatsoever. I think that's extremely good. So I just used this one for 3 weeks, almost a month, and it is still kind of like perfect, like you wouldn't even notice. I will find that I do get a lot longer out of it if I do have it in my bedroom every time I shower, just so it can like dry completely and stuff, and you just get better worth out of it. But sometimes I'm lazy as fuck. So yeah, the results of actually having it, I do find that there have been better LUSH shampoos that I have preferred more in the past, but it's super similar to Lullaby, but I think I prefer this one a little bit more just because of the smell. But I feel like the things that it does to my hair are very similar to Lullaby. I wouldn't even notice a difference, but this one is very relaxing and stuff, and the smell is literally the same. Well, it's not literally the same, it smells a little bit nicer as it gets older, but yeah, if you kind of get me. Also, my hair has been looking a little bit flatter on my head. It does have like little things, but I always have them, but it doesn't give you much volume. So if you had straight hair, I don't think I'd try it, just because it would kind of like slick your hair a lot. But Normally I have like wild curly hair, and this is it, like natural at the minute, so like it does kind of slick your hair down an awful lot. This is my hair on the second day, by the way. But I do find that it is kind of like that, so it also kind of makes you look a little bit greasy because of it slicked down, but I think that might be just my personal opinion. I do find that I have to wash my hair on the second day. Other shampoos, like the pink one, I forget the name of it, it's like just gone out of my head. It's called it's called New. Other shampoos like New, I could get like 4 days out of my hair and then I'd wash it because I wanted to wash it. But this one you really do have to wash it on the second day for my hair personally. But yeah, I do really enjoy it. I really enjoy the scent of it and the ingredients, and it is nice to change up your shampoos. I really love the shampoo Scenic and I love the shampoo New. They're like two of my favorites, but I would not use them back to back all the time, so I do like to have a break from my hair and kind of so that it doesn't get too used to the effects of New and Scenic. So I do like to have a little break, and I feel like this would be perfect for a little break. It's also very calming in times of stress. I know that I have a lot of exams coming up, I've just switched jobs, like there's a lot of stress in my life at the minute, and the smell of my shower when I'm using this is so calming and it just feels like a spa, so I really enjoyed that aspect of it. But yeah, that is pretty much all for the thing. I would give it a... what would I give it? I'd give it a 6 out of 10. Most of the 6 out of 10 is from the actual experience of using it, like the smell and how I feel in the shower and stuff, but it loses those 4 points for the after effects of it. But yeah, that's pretty much all. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked the video, and if you have tried the shampoo, please leave it down below and see what you think of it, or maybe I'm just the only one that's crazy. But I have done a few other videos of the shampoos and stuff and reviews, so I will have them down in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you soon with a brand new video.